for years, Mr. Trump has been known for one message: America first, stronger borders, tougher immigration, and fewer illegal immigrants. But now the Trump administration has taken decision that has kind of surprised many of his own supporters. Well, the administration has expanded the use of H-2A agriculture visa program, allowing the American dairy farm to hire more and more foreign workers. The move, it comes after years of complaints from dairy farmers who say that they simply could not find enough local workers willing to perform physically demanding years-round farm jobs. Now, this particular decision highlights an important reality here. Politics may promise one thing, but the economy often demands something different. Unlike the seasonal farming, dairy farms cannot stop operating after one harvest. Cows must be milked every single day. Animals require constant care. Farms need workers throughout the year. Industry groups, they want that labor shortage. It could replace milk production and increase prices for consumers here. As a reality, well, the government decided to provide greater flexibility under the existing H-2A visa system. Here, experts say the immediate opportunity, it may mainly benefit workers from Latin America who traditionally work on these jobs. However, they also pointed out that professionals with expertise in dairy technology, in fact, animal husbandry and agriculture management could benefit in the future. Well, this particular decision sends an important message here. Even countries with strict immigration policies continue depending on migrant workers in sectors where local laborers remain scarce. It also shows how government often have to balance the political promises with economic realities. For decades, British American Tobacco was known for their products. Today, it is becoming known for something completely different: reconstructing. The company has announced plans to eliminate 5,500 jobs worldwide, while shifting another 3,500 positions to strategic partners as part of its AI-driven transformation program. The initiative, called Fit to Win, aims to reduce cost, simplify operations, and build what the company calls a future-ready organization. Think about that for a moment. Thousands of employees across different countries and different departments, they are all affected because companies are redesigning the way that they operate. Now, here the management says that these changes are necessary to remain competitive. But critics argue that workers are paying the biggest price for technology progress here. And this is no longer limited to this particular company. Banks are doing it, technology firms are doing it, consultancy companies are doing it, even manufacturing industries are doing it. AI is helping businesses become faster, but it is also forcing millions of workers to learn completely new skills. Experts believe that future careers will increasingly depend on adaptability rather than experience alone here. And the message is becoming even clearer every single day. Learning cannot stop after college. Employees will have to continue upgrading their skills throughout their careers because the jobs that exist today, it may no longer exist 5 years from now. But perhaps the biggest contradiction comes from another famous American company, a company that reported record profits, yet still decided to cut hundreds of jobs. Because sometimes companies are not laying people off because they are losing money. They are laying people off even while earning record profits.